Most film grain tools either generate synthetic noise textures or emulate real film stock based on scanned film analysis, and some are so badass they don't even tell you what they do and how much it costs. I didn't want to spend months reinventing what already exists, so I tried something lazier. Think about it. I'm oversimplifying, but at its core, film grain is just some pixels darker and some brighter. How do we normally make pixels darker or brighter? With primaries. So what if you could apply random lift, gamma, gain and offset per pixel? No fancy film science, just lazy randomness. That's exactly what I built and called lazy grain. Let me show it in action. I'll use extreme adjustments for better visibility. You know how lift, gamma, gain and offset behave, nothing special here except the randomness. I also added random subtractive saturation that gives you a second grain type. There are two directional checkboxes. When enabled, randomness varies in both positive and negative directions, so your overall color balance stays neutral. Then probability controls. With lift, for example, high luminance gives lower grain probability, meaning highlights get less grain. With gamma, mids get more grain, with gain, shadows get less grain. This probability and directional options are enabled by default. I decided to give you a choice for creative purposes. How to change grain size? Lower your timeline resolution, bigger grain. Higher resolution, finer grain. Your frame becomes a film and every pixel is a grain. I don't know about you, but I like it. On several personal projects I wanted exactly this kind of grain, and everything else was slightly not what I was looking for. What do you think? Try it, break it, let me know in the comments.